In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the call to action button on OnKit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly customize your button text, link, and design so it matches your campaign and actually gets clicks. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open the email draft or landing page where your button lives inside your editor. Make sure you're in editing mode, not just preview. If you're working with a template, you'll usually see a default button like Shop Now or Learn More. That's the one we're going to update. Next, click directly on the button you want to edit. Don't worry if nothing happens at first. Sometimes you need a slightly slower, deliberate click. Once it's selected, you should see some kind of outline or editing options appear either around the button or in a sidebar on the side of your screen. That's how you know you're working on the right element. Now, let's change the text. Most editors let you edit the text right on the button itself. Just click on the label, highlight the existing words, and type in what you actually want it to say. Keep your call to action short and clear, like "Get started," "Download now," or "Claim your offer." Aim for something action-oriented that tells people exactly what will happen when they click. With the text updated, move over to the sidebar. This is where you'll set what happens after someone clicks. Look for the field where you can paste your URL. This might be labeled as link, destination, or button URL. Paste in the full link to the page you want people to visit. Take a second to double-check there are no extra spaces and that it starts with the correct protocol so it opens properly. While you're in the sidebar, this is also a good time to adjust the design. Here you can change colors, fonts, and sometimes the shape or size of the button. Choose a color that stands out from your background but still fits your brand. Make sure the text color contrasts enough so it's easy to read at a glance. If there's a font option, stick with something clean and simple so the message is clear on both desktop and mobile. Once everything looks good, don't forget the final step. Click Save or Publish. Saving will keep your changes in draft mode, while publishing will push them live, depending on how your workspace is set up. Give the page a quick preview, confirm the button looks right, and test the link to make sure it goes exactly where you expect. That's all you need to edit a call to action button on OnKit.